Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm here to talk about MSN CS versus MSN MIS slash information systems. What is the difference between CS and information systems and everything, the syllabus, the job profiles, etc. So, as you would know, that a lot of students from India would choose MIS, that is Management Information Systems, or you can call it information systems in most of the universities here. There are a lot of universities which offer this MIS course or information systems course, like UC Berkeley, there's University of Sunny Buffalo, there's Space University, there's lots. Stevens also offers NJIT, Stevens, and all such universities offer MIS or information systems. So how different is MS CS versus MS in this field? So as you know, computer science is focused more towards, you would know that, more towards algorithms, I would say data structures. It's more towards logic based, and more towards focus towards software engineering. But whereas if you look at MIS gives you the flexibility of firstly putting your hands on certain different fields. Like you cannot find algorithms, or you cannot find their data structures, but what you'll find is more business related courses which are focused more towards IT industry or organizations. So in order for an organization to work appropriately, or to work in a certain manner, they require certain business skills to enhance their profile, or to enhance their skill set in order to compete with all the other organizations around the globe. In such cases, they use information system syllabus. So this syllabus includes, like, you have subjects like big data, data mining, data visualization, you have database programming, you'll have information systems design and development, which is again focused more towards how does an organization will operate under certain circumstances, and etc. You'll have a lot of courses related towards business oriented, which are like business telecommunication, business communication. There's more courses like business data communications, and such, and that is a big difference. I mean, considering the fact that CS and IS are correlated to each other, but in the whole aspect, or I would say the whole scenario, there is a lot of difference. I mean, CS is, again, it's basically for the developers, I would say, more like coders who are excellent at their art, who are fabulous. Like, I call them artists, like the coders are called as artists. So they are the ones who are related towards MS and CS. But people like who are really wanna join the organization as an analyst, or just want to study the how does an organization work, or the business part of the IT industry, but still want to be in the IT industry without being developers or something, they would choose usually information system designing, or like information systems or management information systems. So as I mentioned in the earlier about certain universities which are excellent, are University of Arizona is one of them, University of UC Berkeley, the Stevens Institute of Technology, which has a pretty good course, NJIT, Pace University also has a good amount of course, and etc. So these are some of the good universities which offer management information systems, or as I keep saying, information systems. Now what are the job profiles in this field? So computer science job profiles, as you would know, that more of such, you will find a lot of developers from MS and CS. There are so many developers. There's a software developer, there's a Java developer, and etc. Whereas if you look at MS in information systems, you would find you would jump into data analyst role, or data engineer role, or you could find people business analyst. That is the most, I would say, one of the most famous job profile role, which is actually quite a boom, which is happening right now in the industry. The business analytics role. There's a role called certain people, they take certain amount of courses to get as a financial analyst. So that is one thing. Big data engineer is also one of the job profile roles, and etc. So these are some of the job profiles which IT analyst, this is also one more profile role. Whereas if you look at CS can also jump into these profiles, but again, the matter of fact here is 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 more for the people who do not have, I would say, not a good background with computers, with the coding part, because you don't have to deal with certain those kind of subjects, information systems. Whereas in MS and CS you would require to have algorithms, to learn algorithms. You would require to learn uh, coding Java, which is very very important in MS and CS, which is usually in one of the mostly you would see in every university, that Java, Python and all the stuff. Python is also an information system, but that is only when if you want to do majors in data science. So yeah, so that is the difference between MS and CS and information systems. There are, I would say, very correlated, but the job profiles are quite matchable. But the only difference, as I said, is one is for the people who would require or who would want coding in their masters, and second is for the people who do not wish to have coding subjects, who do not wish to code much. Although if you take majors in certain field, you would require coding obviously, but not as much as MS and CS, which is quite the case with most of the syllabus in the US with the universities. So that's it. It was just a video on how different are MS and CS and MS information systems. If you if you require anything regarding like anything more about the difference between them, you can just ping me, or you can just on my Instagram account, or you can just ping me on my LinkedIn account, and I would be like happy to help you. So yeah, that's it, and see you in the next one.